Take a look at this YouTube channel. It has gained over 13 million subscribers just by posting simple Stickman animation videos. And if you check their views, almost every single upload gets millions of views. Most people would probably think, I'm not an animator. How can I possibly create videos like this? I used to think the exact same thing. But today, I'm going to show you a super simple AI workflow that lets you recreate this style of content in just 2 minutes. And the best part is that it's completely free. So without wasting a single second, let's get started. First, go to Pinterest and search for Stickman character. Choose any character that matches your style and download it. Now open ChatGPT, paste this prompt, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 20 engaging topic ideas for you. Simply choose the one you like the most. Next, open the prompt link from the description. Copy the complete prompt and paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Change the video duration. Then copy your selected topic from the previous response and paste it into the desired topic section. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete video package, including the full script along with detailed image prompts and animation prompts for every single scene. Now copy the image scene 1 prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click the plus icon to upload your Stickman character. Then click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. Choose the image option, select Nano Banana 2 as your image model, keep your other desired settings the same, paste the scene 1 image prompt, and hit enter. Within seconds, your first scene image will be ready. Continue repeating this exact workflow until you've generated images for every single scene. Now it's time to animate those static images. Click on your scene 1 image and select Animate. Choose Omni Flash as your video model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 1 animation prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and hit enter. Within about a minute, your first animated scene will be ready. Repeat this exact same process for every remaining scene until all your videos are complete. Once every scene is finished, download all of them. Now comes one of the most important parts, the voiceover. Copy this full prompt and paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. ChatGPT will instantly generate a voiceover-ready script. Copy it and head over to any text-to-speech tool. I'm using Google AI Studio. Select Speech and Music, choose Gemini 3.1. Then select Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech. Paste your script, choose any voice model you like, click Generate, and download the final voiceover. Finally, open your favorite editing software. Import all your animated scenes and the voiceover. Arrange the videos in the correct sequence, add the voiceover, and adjust each clip so it perfectly matches the narration. Once everything looks smooth and synced, simply click Export, and your Stickman animation video is ready. Here's the final result. Have you ever wondered why so many people never reach their goals? It's usually not because they're lazy or untalented. Most people simply give up long before success has a chance to appear. At the beginning, motivation feels exciting. You make big plans, buy new notebooks, or watch inspiring videos. But when things become difficult, that excitement quickly fades away. The problem isn't a lack of talent, it's expecting fast results. When progress feels slow, many people wrongly believe they're failing. Successful people think differently. They focus on showing up every single day. Even when they don't feel motivated, small actions, repeated consistently, slowly become big achievements. Instead of chasing perfection, focus on consistency. One small step every day is far more powerful than one perfect day that never happens. So here's today's challenge. Forget about being perfect. Just take one small action toward your goal today. Your future self will thank you. That's the complete method. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'll keep sharing the latest viral AI niches, hidden workflows, and powerful prompts the moment they start trends, so you never miss the next big opportunity.